Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin with essentials. Make sure the case and AirPods have at least 50% charge and Bluetooth is on. Open the lid near your iPhone, the pairing card should appear. Tap Connect to initiate the handshake. If you see a firmware prompt, accept it. Updates ensure best performance. Once done, check Settings Bluetooth to confirm AirPods Pro Gen show as connected. These first actions set the foundation so audio, controls, and ANC behave predictably. Now refine how your AirPods behave and fit. In Bluetooth settings, tap the info icon to assign press and hold or squeeze functions. Choose noise control or Siri, depending on preference. Try the ear tip fit test to confirm seal. A poor seal reduces bass and ANC effectiveness, so swap tips until the test shows a good fit. Make sure you understand adaptive transparency versus full transparency. Toggle modes and listen to see which preserves situational awareness while keeping unwanted noise down. For routine use, keep the case charged and install firmware updates when available to maintain stability and battery performance. If connectivity falters, place AirPods in case, close lid, wait 30 seconds, then reopen. If that fails, reset by holding the case button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on and restart the device if pairing still fails. If audio is distorted, clean the mesh gently and retest. Often dirt or poor fit is the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.